Hello and welcome to today's The Last Street Week Ahead video. Now in today's The Last Street Week Ahead video, we'll be taking a look at two stocks. I'll take a look at Reliance Industries and I'll take a look at Maruti Suzuki. Both of them I'll take a look at them perspective of an equity trader and an F&O trader. So do watch ahead for that. Now coming to the news which affect our market this week. Now on the news front, as we enter the results season, naturally results are going to play a huge effect on our markets. For example, Reliance's results and Axis Bank were released over the weekend. Now those are going to really account for how the Nifty and Bank Nifty perform on Monday morning for the first, let's say, 1 hour at least. Apart from that, the other news to be affecting our markets this week will be the issue of Israel and Iran, as that issue seems to be again going into the direction of an all-out war once again. Even the meeting did not take place in Pakistan as expected, as Iran said they're not going to do it, but America was giving hope that it might happen, and now that has failed. So that seems to be spinning out of control gradually further and further. Now that's really it on the news. Let's take a look at Reliance, after which we'll take a look at Maruti Suzuki. Now coming to Reliance, now I've kept this blue line. This is the former support I had shared for Reliance Industries. Now I had given a target of 1325 when we were roughly up here, and we have fallen to it. Now we have fallen to this support, and after that is when over this weekend the results came. According to me, the results are not good. However, some places try to sugarcoat it because a lot of media is owned by the Ambani family, whether it is CNBC and all. So they will try to sugarcoat the results, but the fact is the results are not good of Reliance Industries, and as this conflict progresses, the results are only going to get affected more and more. So my view on Reliance Industries is if it breaks 1325 support on Monday morning, then the next target is 1282. If it breaks that, it's 1255 and 1240. So my trading plan is leaning towards the downside, and as long as this support is gone, this is the next critical one, and the minute this one breaks, then my target is going to be these two. On the upside, 1365 is going to really cap the upside, and 1410 is going to really also cap the upside. That's why I have not gone above this, as unless it breaks above this, we should not even think about the bullish aspect. Now how will I trade it if I am doing futures or options and what? According to me, this is on Monday, this is going to be more of an option buyers and futures trader stock than an option seller stock. These are option sellers. Naturally, Reliance, if it has a big drop, it's going to try to fight back, and that is when you should add C sells if you're doing it. But PE buyers and traders shorting it via futures, I believe if it breaks this support, as I said, 1282 comes next. If it breaks that, 1255 and 1240. So I am firmly bearish on Reliance Industries for the coming sessions, and I will look at this in that perspective, and I'll most likely only keep it via day trades rather than positional, due to the fact that the market has a lot of dynamics, and this is one stock that is heavily used to swing the markets in which direction the bigger boys wanted to swing. Now next is Maruti Suzuki. Now Maruti Suzuki are coming out with the results on Tuesday, and those are going to be one of the key watch results. Maruti Suzuki is a heavyweight in the auto industry naturally, as it dominates sales. So how its results are going to dictate how Tata Motors or Mahindra or all the other companies' results are going to come out. Now my view on Maruti Suzuki results is I'm not expecting anything fantastic. This is, as with all that is going on and with economic tightness and people's wallets coming tighter, I don't believe sales are going to be that good and profits going to be that good. So I'm expecting flat to slightly negative results for Maruti Suzuki. So my trading plan is as follows. As long as it is between 12,920 and 13,920, this is a box range. There is a resistance in the middle at 13,520, but that is more of an inter-box range resistance rather than a bigger picture. So between 13,920 and 12,920, I don't see a clear trade plan, as within the zone it will go up and down. If it breaks 12,920, then my next target is going to be 12,480. If it breaks 12,480, my next target is 12,050 and 11,700. These two, 12,480 and 12,050, are very, very important supports. So any move towards them should be taken seriously. What I mean is, for example, if Maruti Suzuki was to break 12,920 and you have shorted it and it has hit 12,480, now at this point, it will, if you're trying to add shorts blindly, you can get whacked out. However, if it breaks this, then you can add shorts for this. So my trading plan for both today, Reliance and Maruti Suzuki, is towards the bearish side. Like I had given example on Friday, that me and clients last week had entered shorts at the exact right moment, so we captured the full fall. So I'm seeing the scenario continuing now towards that direction. There will be intermittent dead cat bounces, but for now, I expect that game to continue, and at a certain point it will end, and then I will be out of the train to the other side. But for now, I think these both stocks are leading more to the downside than the upside, and let's see how the week goes. As some trades fail, some trades succeed, as that's the market is a game of probabilities rather than surety. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.